Advanced Auto Repairs is one of Dorset's leading independent VW, Audi, Seat and Skoda specialists. We offer the complete service, fault finding and diagnostics, MOTs, servicing and repairs, with all aspects of what we provide, utilising a combination of the very latest technology and our own many years of experience and expertise. With parts and accessories of the highest quality available, all backed by a 2-year warranty. For the very best level of service available, call Advanced Auto Repairs now on 01202 487714.